Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Next.js version 15 and today is the second part of the series where we are going to do the installation. Like I said, this is a complete tutorial series for absolute beginners as well as expert developers on Next.js because there are a lot of breaking changes if you are coming from early versions of Next.js. That being said, let's get started. Before I kickstart today's tutorial, please continue to support me and my channel. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you like my work, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Alright, so part 2 of the Next.js series. This is version 15. Today we are doing installation. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing complicated. All we have to do is run the command npx create next app. Now the option is to pass at the rate the version number, or if you just leave it at latest, it would bring in the latest version, which is 15. Alright, that being said, let's get started, get into the code. I have my learning folder open here and I'm going to create a new folder inside this and I'm going to call it Next.js, and let's navigate inside that and learning slash Next.js. Alright, the command that will run is npx create next app at the rate latest and hit enter. It would ask you to name your project. What we are going to do is build a portal where people can pay bill, their internet utility bill or phone bill, etc. So I'm going to call it arc pay, where you can pay. And would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes. Would you like to use Tailwind? No. Because again, there are a lot of dependencies that can go, but using Tailwind again is up to your choice, but we will go without it. We'll probably add Bootstrap or something like a native one and we can learn it. Would you like your source code inside a source directory? Yes. Would you like app router? Yes. Turbo pack? No. Would you like to customize import alias? No. And then leave it. It will bring in all the dependencies that you need. Mostly React, React DOM, and Next. These are the three main libraries that we need to work with. So stay here, it will take a couple of whiles, and it said success created arc pay. So our application is ready, arc pay is ready. The first thing I tell everyone is to go inside the package.json to see what scripts are available. Okay, that's how you can read any library, any application by knowing what commands to run. So you can see here we have the dev command, we have the build, we have start and lint. Okay, so what we are going to do is npm run and we can just do a dev. Let's start it in dev. So it says missing script dev. Okay, so to fix this, if you see something like this, it's because you're not in that folder. So if I see my folder structure, I am in Next.js. I need to go inside arcpay folder, right? So you are here. Now I went into the arcpay and now run the command npm run dev, and now it will do the background work. It will start the localhost server at localhost 3000. Okay, and how do you verify it? You can go to your browser, type localhost 3000 and you should see the Next.js welcome page, which is this. If you're seeing it, that means your installation is successful and complete. Alright, that's all we are going to do in today's episode. Okay, so get yourself up to date, get your application up and running. We are running version 15. Okay, next, if you want to see the versions, you can see it in the package.json. Next version is 15, React version is 19, and React DOM is also 19. Okay, so we are running on the latest ones because like I said, there are some breaking changes than what you would have seen in earlier versions. Okay, I leave it up today at here. In the next episode, I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to change default ports. A lot of times, if you're running multiple apps, etc., chances are that port number 3000 may be preoccupied, right? Or it's having issue in starting that server. So you should it's always a good thing to know how to change the default settings and the default port. So I'm going to show you multiple ways of how you can do that, and then the folder and file structure, and then we start writing the code of our own components. I hope you'll enjoy and learn and master Next.js with me. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.